this is Evan Anderson, and this video will be going over the burglar alarm. So, just a quick look at my wires. I tried to use paper clips to keep them together a bit, and I used jumper wires when I could. So, as you can see right now, it's not doing anything. So if I upload, can see it's uploading right now, and it takes a second. Okay, so the light is not on right now, and when I move the light next to it, then the light turns on, and it plays this. But if I press the button, it stops playing for 5 seconds, and then continues playing. And then if I take away the light, then the light is off and the buzzer stops playing.